الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر سبحان الذي سخر لنا هذا وما كنا له مقرنين وإنا إلى ربنا لمنقلبون. اللهم إنا نسألك في سفرنا هذا البر والتقوى ومن العمل ما ترضى. السلام عليكم. ما شاء الله. So let's start. Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man wala. Allahumma allimna ma yanfa'una wa anfa'na bima 'allamtana innaka sami'un mujibud du'a. On site you have this personal connection with the people. So you see me, I see you, I feel you, you feel me. To make Allah number one in your life. Allahumma inni as'aluka hubbak wa hubba kulla man yuhibbuk wa hubba kulla amalin yuqarribuni ila hubbik. Ya Allah, I ask you to love me, period. That's the dua. When the challenge comes in, and this again happens, is either I am going to obey Allah or I'm going to please them. سمعنا وأطعنا. You hear and you obey. You hear and you obey. I want you all to know the goal. The goal is not easy. I will be a big liar if I said this is easy, or I have not done it before. But once I put the goal, I am a servant of Allah. He created me as a servant. I'm not the best servant yet. Look at the word I said, yet. Be positive. Jannah is very expensive. You need to work. And you'll fail. I'll fail. But I'll get up like a baby walking. You'll get up, to ask him, talk to him, Ya Rabbi, I failed. Ya Rabbi, I'm weak. Ya Rabbi, this is very difficult. But you'll make it easy. This is what I want all of you. Mending the heart starts by knowing who you are and who's your creator and what choice you want to make in this life. And the most important choice you all have to decide from now. Where do you want to go at the end? Where do you want to be at the end?
Generally, when these events happen, it brings you closer to Allah, just automatically. You know, you want to change. Like, she understands, she's also a woman, she relates to things like same things, she has the same experiences as you. You just feel that closer to Allah, and it's just, you leave going, Alhamdulillah, oh my God, I learned that, I didn't know I knew this. And I think the more you go to them, the more you just feel, you become a better person generally.
You know what I say? Every woman who lives in the West and practices her deen, especially externally, you're very strong. Because you're an ambassador of this deen. لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها. He will not put a burden or ask a soul to do anything unless that soul can do it. I need always, it's a training camp, my beautiful sisters. It will take time. Anything you do, you look, you don't look, you're gonna go, you're not gonna go. Always ask this question. Is it pleasing to you, Ya Rabbi? And you don't know the answer. You know what you say? Show me. You talk to him. Show me. And you say to him, you show me what you want from me. I'll do it. And he'll show you. You better keep your word. He will show you. Wallah alladhi alahu. I use his name. He will show you. When he sees in you all, in me, that I really want him number one in my life. I want him. It's just difficult, Ya Rabbi. This is not easy. He sees it. And He's going to make it easier and easier and easier. And you don't know how. Don't ask me how. Because the how is not my job and not my ability. And how is not your job and ability. It is only Him, Al-Qadir. He's the only one who's capable. I'm not. You're not. Wallahu ala kulli shay'in qadir. Wallahu ala kulli shay'in qadir. Allah is capable of doing anything and everything. Anyone has a doubt in this statement? Then don't say it's impossible. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك